Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBP JPY for this week, right? We want to know where this market would be moving for this week. So, if to be able to understand this movement, right, we would have to start from this higher time frame. We would analyze it downward to the 4 hour time frame. So, if you have to zoom it out, right, you'll see on the higher time frame, you'll see that at first GBPJPY was giving us a bullish move. I think let's start this movement from 2020. So if you see this movement from here, this is the period of 2020, right? GBPJPY was actually giving us an uptrend move. You clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows. Price is actually going up, right? Each month we're having a bullish move. So throughout the year of 2020, we had a bullish move. We got to the year of 2021, we also had a bullish move. Same thing with the year of 2022. Then it actually got to a period, I think that was around November, right? Then this is when this massive drop started. So about last year, November, it was when we started having this, massive drop on GBPJPY. So in the month of November, we actually opened and closed bearish, right? This is it. While in the month of December, we also had a bearish move. We opened and closed bearish, and now we are in the month of January. At first, price gave us a bullish move, but when you look at it to the lower time frame, you see that that bullish move was actually a pullback. Thereby, more bearish move is to come. So, January, in the month of January, we've gotten a bearish move. Fortunately, we would, or will I say unfortunately, we are going to be expecting more bearish move to come. So more bearish move is to be made. By the time this month will end, I believe we would have dropped more on this GBP price. So above all, we will be expecting more drop. We can see previously this price was trading above this our 10th period simple moving average. We all know that once this price is trading above the 10th period simple moving average, then definitely that is a buy movement. All what we would want to do is look for an opportunity to go ahead and take the buy. But right now we are trading below this 10th period simple moving average. Have it in mind that though we would still go that bullish, we would continue that bullish movement. But as at now, I don't think that movement will be made. More drop is to come, by the way, on GBPJPY, especially if you are looking at it now. This is not the best time to actually, consider going long or consider going taking a buy. This is actually the right time. We are in the right time of actually selling. There's every possibility that price can even drop to take out this candlestick wick. You can see here, this candlestick wick that is at the bottom here. There's every possibility that price will actually drop to take it out because GBP, as you can see, GBP will continue to give us that bullish move, right? I think there will be major news that will also be released on Wednesday or Thursday about the Bank of Japan, right? We don't really know what it entails, but once the news is being released, we'll be able to understand. That will actually help us to actually forecast for the long term. But as at now, what you can forecast for the long term is technically what we have on that is displaying here technically. So we will see more drop on this GBPJPY. Anyway, so price is trading below this 10 period simple moving average. We all know that this is a sell movement. Now that should now take us to the weekly time frame. So before you actually take your trade, you will know that you would want to ask yourself some questions. What is the trend for this move? We all know that markets give us three moves. It's that market is giving us an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging market move. Those are the three movements markets gave us. So what we were seeing previously we were having an uptrend move. Right now, if you take a look at this movement, price is actually dropping. So I think there's kind of like a downtrend move, but it got to a time price was actually ranging within this area. If we were following consistently, we'd have seen how we predicted this level where we talked about price actually came to the same level. We had a rejection that dropped to the same level, which we took as a support level. Then price came to the same level. We kind of took here as like call it a mini support, kind of like a reaction area. Then price went up, you know, eventually price actually dropped, right? So basically I've highlighted some levels where price have been giving us a reaction. And if you take a look at this candlestick wick here, these are kind of major level on the daily time frame. We see that price has actually reacted to this same level multiple times on the daily time frame. Well, that is it. But right now price is giving us a drop. So if you see this, price was once trading above this 10 period simple moving average. right now the price is trading below this 10 period simple moving average. So this week that just finished, right, we actually had a bearish move. And I'm saying this week that we are predicting for, we will also be getting a bearish move also. Let's see if this price will actually drop. This is the level I'll be watching out for. This is a level of 151. Currently we are trading at 156. So let's see if we can get to this level of 151 in 2 weeks time. If we can this week and the upper week, let's be watching out for the 2 weeks. In this week and the upper weeks, let's watch out if this GBP JPY can actually get to that level. So I will go in depth of why we'll be moving such way. But now take a look at this. If you see this on GBPJPY, this will be a drop. Then here has been seen to be a pullback, right? Then we take a look at this to be a drop, and this has been a pullback. Now we are getting a drop, right? So by the time this price drops to a level of 154, I believe a pullback will play out, which will be bullish. A price will definitely give us a pullback at this level. If price eventually give us this pullback, right, during this week, then once the news about GBP, is being released about, I think on Wednesday or on Thursday, then that news will be able to let us know if this GBPJPY will continue to drop. That is, if the news will come out fine, we will see JPY go bullish. Thereby, any things we will be trading to JPY, sorry, will definitely drop. But if it will not come out well, then we will see JPY drop while GBP will go up. So during that news, right, we will have to wait patiently for what to be released on Wednesday or Thursday. Then we will be able to easily predict where this price will move next. But for this week, right, this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, when there will not be major news, you should kind of see our price drop a little bit and it give us a pullback. So we should kind of be expecting a bullish move as a pullback on during this 3 days time, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these 3 days time, right? You should kind of be expecting like a bullish move, which will serve as a pullback. Then once the news is being released, then we will know if we will continue the downtrend move or an uptrend move. But I personally think we will continue the downtrend move. Anyway, this GBPJPY, this is a drop. We can also see that we are trading below this 10 period simple moving average. So this is still a bearish move. That should not take us to the daily time frame. So you can see some levels here, right, on the daily time frame. So you can see this is one of the reasons why I've highlighted this level here. You can see that price has have been reacting to the same levels multiple times, right? See a reaction at these same levels, right? Once price broke below this level, a pullback was made and tested this level. Now you saw price drop, a pullback, and now a major drop is playing out. So I believe once this price drops to this level of 154, close to 115, maybe close to 154, we are currently trading at 156. Let's watch out for a pullback at a level of 155, 154. So if this GBPJPY can drop a bit, then you should kind of expect like a pullback which will be bullish. So have that in mind. A pullback which will be bullish would play out. So once it plays out, then we would know if that news that will be released we actually take this price further down or it will actually go up. But technically, this price is still on a bearish move and we should expect more drop. Possibly take out this level by the time this week we finish, which is at a level of 151, right? That should not take us to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we can see that we are still on a bearish move. Price is still dropping. So basically, all what we would want to do is go ahead and sell. So you can take a look at this as a massive move. So you see, one of the reasons why I said we should actually watch out for a pullback around this level. So if this price can drop a bit, then we should expect a pullback, which will be bullish. Once that pullback is big made, then that news will determine if we will continue to drop or go up. Above all, technically, we will see this GBPJPY as a bearish move.